Into the realm of the PL-89, into the realm of the higher time, into the realm of the Messiah time. It is simple to sing the tune, match the sun up with the moon, with the sun and before the moon, as per Psalm 72. The two calendars are one, match the moon up with the sun. Yaakov and Esau, Tikkun and Tohu, and with that our work is done. This is the PL-89 Gematriatic Quantum Thought Calendar for Thursday, February 5th, 2026, and it is Yom Hamishi, 5th day of the week, the 18th day of Shvat, 5786. The parts of the week is Yitro or Yisro, and the daf of the day is Menachot 25. This is the Gematriatic Quantum Thought Calendar. As the song says, it is simple to sing the tune, match the sun up with the moon. And the next verse goes, the two calendars are one. Match the moon up with the sun. That sums up basically what this is. It's a calendar of the sun and the moon. Meaning it's the Hebrew calendar, the Jewish calendar, on which today is the 18th day of Shvat, and it is the Gregorian calendar on which today is February 5th, and it's combined into one calendar. And when you're looking at it, you might be thinking, well, wait a minute, calendars, even if you're going just the moon, which is less, it's 354 days, or if it's solar calendar, it's 365 days. But how many boxes are here? Not that many. How do you use it? How is it used? Well, the answer to that is that this that you're seeing here is 80 boxes, 80. But there's also another invisible line here that represents 10 days for a total of 90 days, or it can also be 11 days depending on the type of month. For example, we just finished a 3-month period where on the Gregorian calendar it ended in January 31st, so in that case it would be 11 days. So we're dealing with a quarter of a year, 90 or 91 days. And it's used for each quarter. That's exactly it. And whether it's in Hebrew or Gregorian, it's used quarterly. And it doesn't matter because each of those are considered one month. Like, for example, right now we are in the month of February. So February has a few other months that are in the same category. For example, November, there's 4 months of the year that are like the title. They're all the same theme. And in astrology, if you look up, you go on the internet and type in astrology, and you type in cardinal, fixed, and mutable months, you'll see the type of months they are and which months go into those categories. So, for example, February / Shvat, those would be considered fixed months. It's the same thing with May / ER, and that would really boil down to Taurus. So, okay, let's start from the beginning. From where we are right now, February / Shvat, or Shvat / February, is a fixed month because it goes to Aquarius. Aquarius is the fixed sign, and it has the most expression in these months. Even though Aquarius can be in January too, and Shvat can come out in part of January too, but it's mostly overall, if you take a sum total analysis, at least the analysis that I've done, it's mostly overall going to be in February. Some less than February, some very little February, but others more. But overall, it's associated with February. And Aquarius will really be mostly in February as well. although it might start in January at the end. Okay, Taurus slash ER slash May would be the fixed sign of the spring. We're in the fixed sign of the winter now, but then the next fixed sign we're going to be is after spring hit, and then we're already deep into spring, which is May. That's the fixed sign of spring. And then you go another 3 months down the line, and then you come into August, which will be the fixed sign of the summer. August, Av, or Leo. That's a fixed element of the summer. And then you go another 3 months down the line, then you go to November slash Cheshvan slash Scorpio. That's the fixed element of the fall, of the autumn. And so there you have it. That's what this calendar is. And this calendar is I was back in Elul time, I was including the Islamic calendar, but it's very close to the Hebrew calendar. It's a lunar calendar as well. So today, on this calendar, on the solar, since it's February 5th, the box number is 2, because it starts from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. And as far as the Hebrew calendar, the lunar calendar, we're on the 18th day of Shvat, which would be box 33. So you just simply add 2 and 33, and then you get 35. And 35 would be the number for today, for the PL-89 Gematria Quantum Thought calendar.